If you want to learn what is the importance of LSI keywords in SEO content writing, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs, and in today's lecture we will explore what is the importance of LSI keywords in SEO content writing with examples to understand better. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. LSI keywords, short for latent semantic indexing keywords, play a pivotal role in optimizing your content for search engines and enhancing its overall quality. In this lecture, we will explore 10 crucial reasons why LSI keywords are indispensable in the world of SEO content writing. Each of these points will be accompanied by clear examples to illustrate their significance. First, we have enhanced relevance. LSI keywords add relevance to your content by helping search engines understand the context of your topic. For example, if your main keyword is apple, LSI keywords like fruit, orchid, healthy, and recipes indicate the context of your content, right? Next, we have improved search rankings. Using LSI keywords can boost your content search engine rankings. For example, if you are writing about digital cameras and include LSI keywords like photography and megapixels, your content becomes more comprehensive and may rank higher for related searches. Next, we have content depth. LSI keywords allow you to explore a subject more comprehensively, offering your audience a richer and more informative resource. For example, if your main topic is coffee, LSI keywords like brewing methods and espresso helps you create a comprehensive guide to coffee. Next, we have user engagement. Engaging content is essential for retaining your audience. LSI keywords help you provide content that caters to various aspects of a topic, keeping your readers engaged and informed. For example, let's say you are running a tech blog and your main topic is smartphones. By incorporating LSI keywords like camera features, battery life, and performance, you can create content that engages readers interested in different aspects of smartphones. Some may be intrigued by camera features while others may focus on battery life. Using LSI keywords allows you to engage a broader audience within your niche. Next, we have reduced keyword stuffing. LSI keywords offer a natural way to include related terms in your content, reducing the need for keyword stuffing, which can harm your SEO efforts, right? Imagine you are writing a blog post about healthy eating habits. Instead of repeatedly using the exact phrase healthy eating habits throughout your article, you can incorporate LSI keywords like nutritious diet, balanced nutrition, and wholesome meals. This allows you to provide valuable information while avoiding the unnatural repetition of the same keyword phrase, which can negatively impact your SEO rankings. Next, we have broader audience reach. By including LSI keywords, you can reach a wider audience interested in various facets of your topic. For example, if you are writing about travel, LSI keywords like solo travel and family vacations appeal to different reader segments. Next, we have improved user experience. Relevant LSI keywords help users find exactly what they are looking for. leading to a better user experience and increased trust in your content. For example, let's say a user is searching for information on home remedies for the common cold. When your content includes LSI keywords like natural remedies for cold symptoms, herbal treatments for the common cold, and the homemade cold remedies, it guides the user to more relevant and detailed information. This improved user experience increases the likelihood that they will trust your content and stay engaged with it. Next, we have semantic understanding. LSI keywords contribute to the semantic understanding of your content. Search engines can better interpret the meaning and context, which can lead to more accurate search results. For example, let's say you have a blog post about solar energy. By incorporating LSI keywords like solar panels, renewable energy, photovoltaic cells, and green power, search engines can better interpret the context of your content. This enhanced semantic understanding ensures that your page is more likely to appear in search results when user seeks information about various aspects of solar energy, such as its environmental impact, technology, or benefits. As a result, your content becoming a valuable resource for a broader audience interested in solar energy topics. Last but not the least, content versatility. LSI keywords enable you to repurpose and adapt your content for different audience segments. For example, imagine you have a blog post about healthy eating. By incorporating LSI keywords like weight loss, nutritional value, meal planning, and fitness, you can repurpose your content to target specific user interests, such as those focused on weight management or fitness goals. Last, we have comprehensive coverage. Including LSI keywords ensures that your content covers a wide range of related subtopics, making it a comprehensive resource in your niche. For example, suppose you have a website dedicated to travel destinations. Integrating LSI keywords like budget-friendly travel, family vacations, adventure getaways, and luxury resorts within your content ensures that your website becomes a comprehensive source for travelers of all interests. Whether they are looking for affordable options, family friendly destinations, thrilling adventures, or luxurious escapes. By understanding these 10 key benefits of LSI keywords, you are now well equipped to elevate your SEO content writing game and make your online presence truly impactful. In conclusion, we can say that LSI keywords are the bridge between your content and your audience's search intent. They boost your content's context and relevance, improving its chances of ranking higher. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore advanced strategies for effectively implementing LSI keywords in your SEO content. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 15, where we explored the vital role of LSI keywords in SEO content writing. If you are seeking exceptional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.